Hello, I'm Slavik from NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com, and today I'm here to introduce you the North Shore Commercial Door 360OV1 remote control. Our own North Shore Commercial Door remote features one button and 360 MHz to replace your old remote. Because it's our own product, you get best in the business customer support and troubleshooting service directly through us. In the package, you will find the transmitter, a manual, and the battery that is already pre-installed. The button feels solid and has a tactile click to it. The construction of this transmitter is very durable with a premium feel in the hand. To program the remote or replace the battery, you will need to open the battery door, which snaps off. This transmitter features a 9-dip switch for programming and a standard 9-volt battery for operation, which also provides an excellent range and a long-lasting power. Now, with all NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com products, you get best in-house customer support. Now, if you have any questions or would like to purchase this remote, please visit NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Thanks for watching.